A building supervisor wants to find the volume of a storage building to determine how much storage space is available. How can you find the volume of the building? You can find the volume of the building by using the formula for a rectangular prism. First, separate the building into two rectangular prisms. Then, find the volume of each rectangular prism and add the two volumes together. What is the formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism?
Select your answer.
The formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is volume equals length times width times height. Find the measurements for length, width, and height of each prism to set up your equations. The length of prism A is 4 meters, the width is 9 meters, and the height is 5 meters. Let's figure out its volume. Volume equals length times width times height. 4 times 9 times 5 equals 180. The volume of prism A is 180 cubic meters. The length of prism B is 10 meters. The width is 9 meters, and the height is 7 meters. Let's figure out its volume. 10 times 9 times 7 equals 630. The volume of prism B is 630 cubic meters. Add to find the total volume of the storage building. 180 cubic meters plus 630 cubic meters equals 810 cubic meters. The building has 810 cubic meters of storage space.